Just listen and relax. The words are slow and clear. Your listening gets better with time. Keep listening and change will come. Part 1. The Woman Who Sold Dreams.
By day, Dora sits in a busy station. She writes letters for people who cannot read. She listens to their words with a blank face. Money moves fast from hand to hand. At night, Dora meets her friend. They open the letters one by one. Secrets spill out on the table. They laugh and share every private line. A bad letter gets torn apart. A good one goes into a drawer. No letter ever leaves her hands. She takes money for writing and sending. When people ask about no reply, Dora points to the post office. This trick works for many years. She never fails once. One day, a mother and her son arrive. The boy is Joshua. He misses his father every day. The mother asks for a letter. Dora writes as usual. Joshua watches her hands. He asks a smart question. Dora freezes for a second. Her face shows fear and anger. She pushes them away fast. The station noise stays loud. Trouble starts right there. On the road, a toy spins and falls. Joshua turns back to pick it up. A bus rushes forward. It hits his mother hard. She falls and never stands again. Joshua sits alone on a bench. Tears run down his face. The world feels empty. He goes back to Dora. He wants another letter. He wants his father to come. He has no money in hand. Dora looks at the empty hands. She shuts the door on his cries. Tears do not move her. Joshua is pushed away again. Dora learned this cold way at home. Her father drinks and hits. One day he leaves them. Trust breaks in her heart. She believes feelings are fake. Distance feels safe to her. She lives alone in an old flat. Nights are quiet and cold. After work, she sees Joshua again. He stares at her with hate. Dora feels uneasy. A bus pulls her away. Next morning, trash bags lie still. Joshua sleeps on the ground. Dora stops and looks. Pity rises in her chest. She brings him home. In the room he talks and smiles. He speaks of his dream. His father builds with wood. He wants to drive trucks. Dora laughs at the dream. She calls it a lie. A lie from a dead mother. Joshua feels hurt. He opens a drawer by chance. Letters sit there in silence. Dora lies in a rush. She says they will be sent. Soon she takes them outside. A place calls itself an agency. Hands shake over money. Joshua is left behind. Dora walks away with cash. She buys a big new TV. The screen shines bright. The room feels empty. Her friend sees the TV. Questions hit Dora fast. Truth spills out at last. Shock fills the room. Her friend speaks in fear. That place kills children. Bodies are sold for parts. No one adopts a big boy. The words hit Dora hard. Night falls without sound. The TV stays on. Sleep never comes. A life flashes in her mind. Her hands feel dirty. Guilt starts to move. Darkness shakes inside her.
We tell movie stories in simple English, so you can picture everything in your mind and learn English naturally through understanding. Follow the channel and make learning English easier.